In this video, I will be showing you how to change a Canva Pro background text box. Let's get started. To begin, I go to the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From the drop-down list under Frequently Used Options, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a blank canvas in the editor. Once the editor loads, I click on the blank canvas and select the color tile from the top toolbar. In the color panel on the left, I choose a light purple shade to set my background color. Next, I navigate over to the left sidebar and click on the Text tab. I select Add a heading to place a new text box onto the canvas. I double-click inside the box to remove the default text and type in the word background in capital letters. With the text selected, I click on the font menu in the top toolbar and switch the font to Poppins. Then, I click and drag the corner handles to enlarge the text and reposition it right in the center of the canvas using the alignment guides. Now, to add and customize the text background, I click the Effects button in the top toolbar. From the Style options in the left panel, I select the background effect, which places a colored box behind the text. Under the background settings, I drag the roundness slider down to 0 to give the text box sharp, square corners. Next, I adjust the spread slider down to around 31 to decrease the padding around the text, keeping the transparency at full strength. To change the color of the background text box, I click on the color swatch below the sliders. I test a few solid colors from the palette before selecting a bright orange color. Finally, I adjust the sizing to see how the background dynamically scales with the text. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to change Canva Pro background text box.